That's how it is, friends. There used to be just an ordinary plot here, but soon there will be a whole resort area with a lake, a waterfall, and a sauna. I'm doing all of this myself, without any crews or huge investments. If you think this is impossible, watch until the end and you'll see that dreams can come true even in the middle of nowhere. In the trailer is the result of my stone safaris across the nearby fields. All my free time is spent searching for the perfect boulders, stones that will turn an ordinary pond into a natural masterpiece, each one worth its weight in gold. But before working with the stones, you need a solid foundation. Here are 300 square meters of geotextile with a density of 200 grams per square meter. We roll it out like a red carpet for the future masterpiece. You can't do without this layer. The geotextile will protect the pond from roots, soil shifts, and even moles. It's like armor for the future lake. To keep the material from slipping, I stitch it together with fishing line. And now, the main character. A butyl rubber membrane, 122 square meters of impenetrable waterproofing. It's not afraid of ice, stones, or roots. It will last for ages, just like the Swiss lakes. But I want not just a pond, but magic. Here, 3-watt lanterns and a transformer. They'll turn the lake into a nighttime show, just like at expensive resorts, only made by hand. Look how softly it glows. Now imagine this effect under the water, reflected on the stones. This is the beauty the whole project was started for. This is how it looked in my previous pond. And the new lake will be several times bigger and with a waterfall. Soon I'll show you how I plan to make all this happen. This is just the beginning. Ahead is the construction of a waterfall, a lounge area with sunbeds, and even a sauna on the shore. Subscribe so you don't miss how an ordinary guy from the village creates a dream place from scratch.